So, 6 crypto ecosystems, $2,500 worth of investment into each of those 6, with individual positions set at a minimum of $250 to be invested across a selection of projects. Hi guys, this is FD for SafeUp.tv once more, back with another video, and it's that time again when we bring you an update on our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. Since the last update to our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge, we have added a new position which belonged to a different category altogether to what we currently hold in our public portfolio at the present time. If you follow us on Twitter, you probably have a clue as to what that project is that I'm talking about, because we recently posted a DYOR risk evaluation review on this project during the past week. If you want to know more about this project, please watch this video all the way to the end. Without further ado, let's drop the alpha along with your latest update to our 15k to 600k public portfolio. 6 ecosystems, with each having a budget of $2,500 to be invested in a selection of projects, starting with the .Sama ecosystem, which consists of Polkadot and Kusama Network. In the .Sama ecosystem, we do hold 2 positions in RMRK, an NFT and metaverse project on the Kusama network, and Bit.Country, a metaverse project also on the Kusama network. We've invested to the tune of $721.33. Starting with Bit.Country Pioneer and its NEAR token price-wise, last week's price was 27.28 cents. Portfolio value last week was $219.29. This week's price is sitting at 27.42 cents. Week-on-week percentage change, we are up 0.5%. Portfolio value this week, we are sitting at $220.45. Overall, NEAR position performance, we are down 8.98% or minus $21.74. Please note that you can also stake Bit.Country's NEAR token to earn some rewards in Bit, which is BIT, the utility token for the Bit.Country ecosystem. There is no other way at the moment to earn this. You just take your NEAR and you earn the rewards. Just putting it all out there in case some of you are not aware, with such a small market cap, this project has more room to grow between now and the next bull run, whenever that comes. Once again, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Next up is RMRK, where we hold 206.77 RMRK tokens at an average cost of $2.32 and an overall cost of $478.88. Let's dive into the price action for RMRK. Last week's price was $2.22. Portfolio value last week was $456.50. This week's price is $2.13, so we are down. Week-on-week price change, we are down minus 3.6%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $440.66. Overall RMRK position performance, we are down by $38.22 or minus 7.98%. However, the RMRK team continue to build in silence, and I think this could be the surprise of the next bull run, along with a handful of other projects. This is not financial advice, of course, just my own opinion. Just a reminder as well, if you are interested in some land sales, please visit RMRK Skybridge. I'll leave the link down below and follow the prompts. The lands have gotten cheaper since the Dutch auctions were launched. I will probably pop over there and see if I can grab 1 or 2 lands there, because it got a lot cheaper now. Anyway, next is a lending and borrowing protocol on the Cardano blockchain, and that is AADAFinance. We have invested a total of $173.69 into AADAFinance, and this project has continued to dump, and it's dumped the most price-wise against the rest. It's easily the worst position within our 15k to 600k public portfolio. Anyway, price action. Last week's price was sitting at 19.33 cents. Portfolio value last week was sitting at $31.29. By the way, this is with us having invested $173.69, so we are now on $31.29. This week's price is sitting at 21.68 cents. Week-on-week percentage change, we are up 12%, but a much steeper way back up, I should think. I can't see this going all the way to the price we bought it at, but you never know. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $35.09. Overall portfolio performance, we are down $138.60 or minus 79.8% down. So that's a massive percentage down. Okay. Once again, as you can see, AADAFinance continues to be the worst of the lot in our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge, which is one of our public portfolios. And are there any signs of a reversal? Not quite yet, I don't think. As with many crypto projects out there, always be prepared that it could go to zero. In fact, as things stand today, I will not be surprised if this one goes to zero. Any thoughts? Please share your comments in the comment section. Next up is AkashNetwork, a crypto project from the Cosmos ecosystem within our 15k to 600k portfolio challenge. We hold 1,083 AKT tokens with an average cost price of 23.19 cents and total cost of $251.11 that we've invested into AkashNetwork. Now onto some price movements on AkashNetwork. Last week's price was 24.33 cents. Portfolio value last week was $263.45. This week's price is sitting at 25.32 cents. Week on week percentage change, we are up 4%. Not bad. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $274.18. Overall, the portfolio performance, we are in the green by $23.22 or 9.25% up. Okay, that's one of the good stories for this week. AkashNetwork. Next up is NEARProtocol, one of our positions within our 15K to 600K public portfolio challenge. Although there's been a slight recovery from Near, I fear continuation as far as the price drop is concerned. And that's not all bad. If we want to add to our Near position, this is probably the time to do it, right? Long term, NEARProtocol is expected by us, of course, to be one of the leading projects of the next bull run. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. These are just my own opinions. If you want to know why we're still bullish on Near even during this bear market, then look no further than our previous videos on NEARProtocol in order to understand why we still remain bullish. With no addition to our Near position this week, our average buying price remains the same at $3.32, and we still hold 56.43 Near tokens at a total cost of $187.99. Last week's price was $1.61. Portfolio value last week was $90.75. This week's price is sitting at $1.74 each Near token. Week on week percentage change, we are up 8%. Portfolio value this week is slightly up to $98.46 from $90. Overall portfolio performance, we are still down $88.96 or 47.43% down. Near is still a solid layer 1 project with a growing ecosystem. We actually reviewed one project from the Near ecosystem recently, and the video was also posted recently. So I'll leave a link in the description. If you can find it, just go search our channel through the latest videos you'll see. The project is certainly one to watch, the one we just did a review on that belongs to the Near ecosystem. Early days yet on Near, and this one is a promising future in my view. What do you guys think about NEARProtocol? Comments below and let us know your thoughts. Now on to Ethereum. Ethereum blockchain, our original position in VulcanForged and its PYR token. VulcanForged is a metaverse project on the Ethereum blockchain. We own 102.81 units of the PYR token with an average cost price of $3.50 and an overall cost of $359.96 invested in VulcanForged. And there are no new additions to our PYR position, as you can tell. If you want to know more about VulcanForged, please look at our deep dive into VulcanForged. I'll leave a link in the description, and you can also search our channel for that. Now on to some price changes on the PYR token week on week. Last week's price was sitting at $2.89. Portfolio value last week was $296.62. This week's price is slightly up to $3.19. Week on week percentage change, we are up 24.2%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $327.53, and we are up by $30.91. Overall though, we are still down by $32.40 or minus 9% down. So there you have it. VulcanForged remains one of the strongest projects within the Ethereum portion of our 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, one of our public portfolios. It is also one project I believe will do very well come the next bull run. And once again, this is not financial advice. I think you guys are getting used to me saying it's one of the projects I believe in. Yes, when we do our DYO, our risk evaluation, we do them as robustly as we can. In certain cases, we actually go deeper than some of the information we share with you here, guys. So VulcanForged is one such project I believe will do well come the next bull run. Please do your own research, starting with our videos on VulcanForged. Links in the description. Also down there, don't forget to smash that notification bell if you are already subscribed, or if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so that we can spread the word to more people, and for you as well, so that you don't miss on any future alpha. Some of the information we share on this channel, you won't find it anywhere else. I can tell you that. Different approach. Okay, now it's time to unveil our latest entry, and it is an Ethereum blockchain project. Meet PerpetualProtocol, formerly known as Strike. PerpetualProtocol is an on-chain perpetual futures DEX on Ethereum and DAI with deep liquidity and builder-ready composability. The project aims to create novel financial instruments by democratizing futures and other crypto asset derivatives. Trading is non-custodial, meaning traders always retain possession of their assets and on-chain as well. PerpetualProtocol utilizes a virtual automated market maker, or VAMM, which provides on-chain liquidity with predictable pricing set by constant product curves. Furthermore, PerpetualProtocol designed its virtual automated market makers to be market neutral and fully collateralized. For more on PerpetualProtocol, please follow the links in the description, including a link to our latest video on PerpetualProtocol, where we performed a deep dive. Our initial position is for 1,000 units of the PEP token at an average cost of 42.5 cents with an overall overall cost of $425. Price-wise, our original position becomes our previous week's price, so here it goes. Last week's price was 42.5 cents. Portfolio value last week was $425. This week's price is sitting at 48.67 cents. Week-on-week price change, we are up 14.52%. Portfolio value this week is sitting at $486.66, and we are up by about $61.71. So early good signs, I think. Now, the PEP position is one position we've wanted to open for quite a while, and while we did not go in at a local low, I believe the price is decent enough. Granted, it may still go lower, but we are happy with our opening position. Will we be adding more? Absolutely. Especially if the price drops significantly from where we are today. Why not? One thing to note though, as far as our Ethereum position is concerned, so far we only have 2 projects and we're already on 31% of our limit. So that's something to watch out for. If we allocate large amounts to a few projects, it means we'll only be able to allocate to a few projects because we want to exercise some discipline when it comes to our expenditure when we're investing in this project. So we'll try and be careful which projects we add. They're going to be special projects that will deliver the maximum gains for our Ethereum basket. Anyway, any thoughts to what we currently have in our Ethereum basket? Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. And the other project that we are looking at closely include Kujira, another ecosystem project, and we are yet to establish an opening position in Kujira. For our take on Kujira, please watch our latest video on Kujira, link in the description. Another crypto project we've looked at recently is RimRoadFinance, another perpetual and futures exchange, link in the description as well. As with Kujira, we are yet to open a position in RimRoadFinance, and obviously on Ergo as well, we are yet to open a position on it. We actually have some videos coming through on Ergo blockchain, including Ergo itself. So overall, the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge has seen a total of $2,125.08 invested, and current portfolio value is sitting at $1,883.02. So we are down by $242.06 or 11.4% down in the red. Not bad, not bad. It's actually a respectable performance if we consider what's happening out there with the crypto markets at the present time. We continue to hold and add more crypto projects to our 15K to 600K public portfolio, and we are prepared to hold our positions well into the next bull run. Questions for you guys. What are your thoughts regarding our latest edition, PerpetualProtocol? Is this a crypto project you already hold, or are you planning to hold it? What is the latest project you have added to your portfolio to date? Of the projects we've already reviewed on this channel, those we have not opened positions yet, which one do you think we should add as part of our 15K to 600K public portfolio challenge? Let us know your thoughts down below, guys, so we can consider your opinions. That's what we're trying to do, build a community. With these portfolios as well, we don't know what's going to become of them, okay? So it's worth being a subscriber. You never know. One morning we might just wake up and say, let's do something for our community. So it is worth subscribing and watching our channel and supporting the channel so we grow bigger. Once we grow bigger, the sky's the limit. Anyway, guys, let us know with your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and don't forget to like this video as well. Until next time, guys, this was your latest update on our public portfolio, the 15K to 600K portfolio challenge, where we have added PerpetualProtocol, a new entrant. Until next time, this is FD, your host. Bye for now.